The 2014 Ford F-150 CNG. Rising gas prices and dwindling oil reserves have more manufacturers looking for alternative fuels to get us by, and until fuel cell or all-electric vehicles become a cost-effective alternatives, the best option to date is compressed natural gas (CNG) or liquid petroleum gas (LPG). Ford is dipping its toes into the CNG and LPG pool, as it has just announced that the 2014 F-150 will be offered with CNG and LPG options. Unfortunately, these options won't be offered from factory, as customers will have a Ford Qualified Vehicle Modifier install the new fuel system. Ford will, however, modify the 3.7-liter V6 engine with a gaseous fuel prep package that includes hardened valves, valve seats, pistons and rings. This optional package runs $315 on top of the base MSRP, then the customer will head off to the modifier to have the LPG or CNG system installed. Depending on the fuel tank size, the final conversion procedure costs between $7,500 and $9,500. Sure, that's a huge investment, but CNG-converted trucks show a quick return on investment, as the average CNG price in the US is $2.11 per gallon, and in some cases, it is as little as $1 per gallon, and the F-150 can run up to 750 miles with a single tank of CNG. CNG-capable F-150s will come with a 3.7-liter V6 engine, but Ford has not released its specifications when powered by CNG. This option makes Ford the only manufacturer with an available CNG-LPG-capable half-ton pickup. Ford also plans to add the CNG-LPG option to 8 more commercial vehicles in the next year. Click past the jump to read more about the standard Ford F-150. Ford F-150. The current F-150 lineup includes a choice of 4 powerful engines, ranging from a standard 302 horsepower 3.7-liter V6 up to a very powerful 411 horsepower 6.2-liter V8. The mid-grade engine is a 360 horsepower 5.0-liter V8, but customers that are more economical can choose the 365 horsepower 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine. The F-150 is priced from $23,995.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.